Hey everyone, welcome back to Help Email Tales. If your Comcast email is not working on your iPhone lately, maybe it's freezing, not loading emails, or just not working the way it should. Stress. It happens to all of us, and most of the time, the fix is super simple. In this video, I'll walk you through a few easy steps you can do yourself. So stick with me, and by the end, your Comcast email should be back to normal. Method 1. Force restart your iPhone. Press and quickly let go of the volume up button. Then, press and quickly let go of the volume button down. Now, press and hold the side button. Once you see the Apple logo pop up on your screen, you can let go. Alright, now if that didn't fix it, let's make sure your iPhone is actually running the latest iOS version. Method 2. Check software update. Go to your settings app on your iPhone. Scroll a little and tap on General. And then tap on Software Update. Now, just check if your iPhone says everything is up to date. If you see an update available, just tap on Download and Install and follow whatever instructions show up on the screen. Alright, if the problem still persists, the last thing you can try is quickly check if your email server settings are correct. Method 3. Check the server settings. On your iPhone, open Settings. Now, scroll down and tap on Mail. Then, tap on Accounts. Under Accounts, open your Comcast account. Now, tap on your email address where it shows account. And here, just make sure your Comcast incoming and outgoing server settings are entered correctly. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with others. For more detailed and easy to follow guides, subscribe to our channel or visit helpemailtales.com. You can also contact our experts at the following numbers for seamless one-on-one assistance.